Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to blur in CapCut. If you want to blur anything in CapCut but you only want to blur certain parts of the video, what you need to do first is to duplicate the clip you are planning to use. So you're gonna just right click the clip and click copy, and then you're gonna just paste the clip, and now you have two clips. The first thing you would like to do is just to mute the audio of the second clip, because it's not gonna sound good if you don't do this step. So we're gonna just mute the track by clicking on this soundbar icon. First, what we want to do is just to apply an effect called blur. So we're gonna click on this effect here and just gonna search blur. You just gonna hold the effect and drag it between the two clips, basically. If you see the blue line between the two clips, then it's gonna go between the clips, and now you're just gonna put it on the whole clip. Alright, so now you have a blur effect on the clip underneath, and it's not gonna be visible yet because we have a clip over the original clip. So what we want to do, click on video and then click on the mask option, and we need to have this mask checked, and just click on add mask. And if you want to blur faces, you will probably want to choose the circle mask. And now, as you can see, only the face is sharp and everything else is blurred. So what we want to do is just only blur the face and have everything else in focus. So what we need to do basically is just to invert the mask, and you can invert the mask by clicking on this little invert icon here. And as you can see, now only the face is blurred. Here, if you click on the blur effect, you can adjust the strength of the blur. And if you go back to the clip, and you don't want to be on basic, so you want to be on mask if you want to change things about the mask. And here you can also change the feather of the mask. As you can see, if the feather is smaller, it's gonna be a much stronger effect. You can adjust this to your liking. And basically that's how you blur faces in CapCut. Another thing I would like you to know is that if you want to blur more faces, what you want to do is just to select the clips and the effect and just click Alt and G. Then you're gonna make a compound clip. You want to do the process of copy and paste again, and now you have two clips again. And you just want to do the same thing, basically, just applying the blur effect between the two clips, putting it on the whole clip, and just do the whole mask thing again. Click on video, click on mask, add the circle mask if you like the circle mask, and then just invert the mask as we did previously. And just put it on the other head. Now I have only one face in this video, but you can put it anywhere you would like. Alright, so all in all, this is how to blur in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.